this is the way we have been taught, your teachers, our parents have told. Nowhere in mathematical sciences it is written that a triangle should have a horizontal base. Suppose I show a triangle like this and ask you to comment about it. What will be your comment? Sorry? No, I want you to comment about your immediate feeling. You don't explain. It is inclined, then it is not in order, it is tilted. See, all these comments, whatever you are thinking or making, it indicates that you are not comfortable with this, you do not like this. Triangles can be drawn in hundreds of ways. You carry one view in your mind. As long as the triangle is as per in your mind, you are comfortable, and the remaining 99 unconsciously you avoid it. Because the negative comments indicate you don't like them. This is one of the mental blocks. See, like this, in the course of our life, when we grow, we have developed a series of mental blocks which are not allowing us to use the existing potential. Okay. We will do some more exercises. This is one of the very old concepts. See, like hands, left hand, right hand, they independently function. Brains also two separate biological identities. They are called the right brain, left brain. Whatever works we are doing, they have clearly demarcated. These are all your work, these are all my work. They don't blame each other. Why should I do your work? Not like that. See, like imagination, music, rhythm, color, humor, daydreaming, these are all the right brain faculties. Logic, analysis, language, number, reasoning, reading, writing, these are all the left brain faculties. By looking at it, can you say which of the brains we are using more? That's correct, left. See, more often everything, system, procedures, guidelines, manuals, rules, reasonable man. We are all, most of us are very strong. But a new idea, innovation, creativity, imagination, these are all the faculties of the right brain. So right brain requires to be activated and used more and more. What is this color? Huh? GREEN you call as red. Oh God. Which school you went to? No, I think that is how they are teaching GREEN red. Where are they teaching like that? Yeah. Huh? Okay, two brains we saw just now. We saw left brain and right brain. You tell me what the left brain will call this as and what the right brain will say this as. Come. Okay. Okay. Left brain will read and say this as green, and the right brain will see the color and say this as. So what is this color actually? Just now I come to know that I have got two brains and I was very happy because all these days we have been told, you do not have. But now immediately the problem has started. One brain is saying red and another brain is saying green. When you say red, your creative right brain is active, but when you say green, your logical left brain is active. But when you say both red and green, that is more appropriate answer. Both of them are correct. Green is also a color. There is nothing wrong in calling it as green. Then innovative whole brain starts working. That is what is required for an entrepreneur. Right brain will imagine, it will dream, it will give an idea. Left brain has got all the resources, your 4 years of engineering degree, so many years of experience, all of them are available in the left brain. Taking that brilliant idea and using these resources to achieve it, make it practical, that is called innovation. I think that is the difference between creativity and innovation. Creativity is an idea. Innovation is converting it into reality. A process, a product, a service, a strategy, something coming out of that idea. So you can understand whole brain thinking. So there are a lot of people who will give ideas, beyond that they won't do anything. At the same time, there are also other people, lot of people who will execute everything step by step, whatever you say, but they can't think on their own. But for an entrepreneur, what is required is both. Idea is also required and the ability to convert them into reality. Yeah.
You are asking the color of ocean.
Okay.
Actually, it's light blue, not green or red.
Okay. Escape. Escaping from the problem. That's right. See. Okay. Okay, now you tell me what are these colors? Use only the right brain and tell me, everybody try. Now I think we all will go together. You see, suppose if you want to learn swimming, you yourself have to get in the water. By watching others swimming, you can never learn. Okay? So some exercises, I wish every one of you do it. So I will show it and everybody says, what is this? What is this color? What is this color? You start this color as brown itself. Okay, brown. Okay. How many of you are having some difficulty? Please raise your hands. Okay, fine. All these people are perfectly okay. They are normal. See, now itself I can certify they are all right. See, let us see what has happened here. In the first two lines, the color and the word they are the same. So there was no difficulty. But when you came over here, what came to your mind? What came to your mind first? See, because all these years we have cultured only our left brain. Automatically you start reading it, but consciously you changed it. Just now you have learnt. Huh? So this difficulty. Say, all along you have been going by this road. Suddenly when you have to change the lane or change the road, you feel some uneasiness. So those who are finding some little difficulty, they are perfectly normal. It happens to normal people. Huh? That is why. I think these things we skip. All these things we skip. This we skip. Okay. This is it. How many of you are here lazy people? Raise your hands. People who are lazy. Quite a good number. Very good. Very good. But only thing is my doubt. When I told lazy people raise your hand, some of you immediately raised. Are they really lazy? No, tell me honestly. I mean, immediately raised. So they are not the real lazy people. Some others also hesitantly they raise their hand. They are also not lazy. There are some others. If it is very important, thank you. If it is very important, he will again say, at that time we can raise the hand. So what is the hurry? So those who didn't raise the hand, they are the real lazy people. Okay. When Farnsworth made the TV, there was only one channel of telecast. Scheduled time, scheduled program. You simply have to put on the TV set, come back and relax. The program on its own, it will come, it will go, you put it off and go to sleep, no issues. After several years, a second channel started, third channel started, cable service started. Dozens of channels were there. You put on one channel, come back and sit. After 5 minutes, you realize the program is very boring. Go back, change the channel, come back and sit. The moment you sat, you realize volume is less. See, that you will come to know only after sitting. Again, you go back. For all the active people, there was no difficulty at all. There was some lazy man who will every time go and come here. So what did he make? So what is the moral of the story? Okay. Very good. Science does not use the word laziness. Inconveniences and problems leads to new ideas. Anything new, whatever we are seeing today was an inconvenience for somebody. It was a problem for somebody. It was an issue for somebody. Maybe it is for your own self or maybe somebody else. Inconveniences. But the most difficult part is we don't realize the inconvenience. We are all having a mindset called complacency. You know what is complacency? Complacent. being happy with the existing things. So you make it. If you have to change the channel, you have to go there. By sitting here, how can you change? You start justifying everything, existing things, with your logic. Complacency. Most of us are having one of the major mental blocks. Coming out of that complacency is a requirement. Okay. Inconveniences leads to new ideas. Anything. 30 years ago, you know the wristwatches, how it used to be? Winding. Yeah, morning you get up and you wind it. We used to do that. There was one lazy man. Getting up in the morning itself is difficult, and also two difficulties. So what did he make? Automatic watches. Physically you move the hand, physical movement it will start running. Automatic watches came. There was another even lazy man who will move the hand. Yeah. So he came with the idea of the battery cell driven. Inconveniences at every stage will lead to innovation, new ideas, anything. Who made the bicycle, you know, pedaling cycles? Who made it? Now the name is not important. Macmillan is the name is not important. Before that, how the people used to go from one place to another? Walk. They used to walk. This Macmillan was a lazy man. Who will walk here? So he made the pedaling cycle. And who made the cars? Yeah, the person who was lazy enough to pedal. Who will pedal? Yeah. Inconveniences and problems leads to. We are surrounded by hundreds and thousands of them. Unfortunately, we are not aware of them because of the complacency. Several things we have taken. This is like this ought to be like this will be like this. That mindset, we have to come out of that. We will do one more exercise. 4 books are standing in a rack like this. The collected works are Rabindranath Tagore, volume 1, volume 2, volume 3, volume 4. Like libraries you might have seen, na? The vertical format, the spine facing you. 4 books are there, all the 4 of them are independent books, different books, separate books. Paper thickness of each volume is 5 centimeters and the thickness of each cover is half centimeter. I mean, all the papers together 5, front cover half, back cover half. 4 books are there, equal size. In this arrangement, a bookworm, that small insect, starts going from page 1 of volume 1, goes up to the last page of volume 4. What is the shortest distance? Okay, the fonts are not coming. What is the shortest distance it has to travel? Calculate and tell me. I mean, are you understanding the issue? I mean, 4 books are there. The physical dimensions are given. So, what is the thickness of one book? 6. 5, half, 6. 4 books are there, equal in size. The bookworm starts from page 1 of volume 1 and goes up to the last page of volume 4. Shortest distance, how much it has to travel? 20, 18, 20, 23, 12, 13, 6, only 6 centimeters, huh? 6 centimeters, 13 centimeters, okay. 13 is the right answer. Are you able to find out how 13 is the right answer? When a book is standing like this, where is page 1 of volume 1?